Okay, welcome to online class. This is T. Narahari, lecture in mathematics, GDC Mahabad. Today, discussing about the third semester real analysis. Selected topic from the real analysis. Definition. Sequence and their limits. Sequence and their limits. Their limits. What is the definition? First you learn bounded set. What is the bounded means? Above bounded, below bounded, and LUB, least upper bound, and GLB, greatest lower bound. First you see these definitions. After go to the limit of a sequence. After some problems and one of the theorem. This is the topics today class. Listen, see. First to learn the what is bounded set. Bounded set means you listen, see. You know R is a real number set. Please, R is a real number set. Bounded set means, listen, see. What is the bounded? Above bounded, below bounded. Bounded. Bounded means above bounded. Above bounded and below bounded. Below bounded. Let you take one of the subset of E. S is a subset of R. What is the S? S is said to be above bounded, S is said to be below bounded. When? See, all elements of X is also element of S. S is contains some or more elements. All elements of X, there exist. X is less than or equal U. X is less than or equal U. Then S is said to be above bounded. S is said to be above bounded because see, you let U is a big number in the set. This is a big number. All elements, all numbers in S less than 2U. You see, please observe, see, here 10 is there. Here 9 and also be 6, 7. These are also be elements. Not above 10, not yes. Limited is there. This is called, what about C? Above bounded. This is called above bounded. All elements in, for all X you write C, no doubt. X is also element of U. For all X is also L. There exist X is our X is less than or equal U. X is less than or equal U. For all X is also element of S. అంటే U కంటే తక్కువగా ఉండే మూలకాలు అన్నీ ఇందులో ఉంటే less than U numbers all also be members in S. This is above bounded. అంటే big number is there in the set. సెట్లో పెద్ద నెంబర్ ఉంది, that is above bounded. X is less than or equal U. Similarly same X is we like to take X is also element of S. X is greater or equal U, small u, ఇది big U పెట్టుకో, small u means all elements is greater of U, small u కంటే అన్నీ కూడా పెద్దగా ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు వాట్ అబౌట్ సి? బిలో బౌండెడ్. above bounded, below bounded. This small u is called lower bound. This is called lower bound. Capital U is called upper bound. Upper bound. This is the lower bound and upper bound. Any set, taken set, there exists lower bound, upper bound, then it is a bounded set. What is C? S is equal to 1, 2, 3, up to 10. It is lower bound, it is upper bound. 2 also be there. Then it is what about C? Bounded set. It is called bounded set. It is important. Bounded set. when it is said to be bounded set, there exists lower bound, upper bound, lower bound, upper bound. Then it is called bounded set. Finite set is bounded set, no doubt. It is finite set. S is 1 to 10. It is bounded set because there exists lower bound, upper bound. This is the lower bound, upper bound of the set. There exists lower bound, upper bound. Then it is called what about C? Bounded set. Now next you see bounded set. Now here you see, you take natural number set here. Start from 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. This is lower bound. This is bounded below. Bounded below. Bounded above, there is no bounded above. Infinite numbers are there. How to say it is big number is there in N? No. Because lower is started. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is lower bound is 1. But it is called what about C? Bounded below. But not bounded set. When you say it is bounded, there exists lower bound, upper bound. Then it is called bounded set. Then it is called bounded set. Then it is called bounded set. Here no, only lower bound is there. Upper bound no. This is called. All number set also be lower bound, no upper bound. See. Here see H, Z you see. 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus. It is what is that see here? 0. Lower. No lower bound, no upper bound in Z. No lower bound, no upper bound. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus infinity. 1, 2, 3 plus infinity. There is no lower bound, upper bound. This is the Z set. Here also be same. Q and R real number set. Those are also be no lower bound, upper bound. There exists N lower bound. W also be lower bound. You know, this is the case of lower bound, upper bound. Again, LUB. What about C? Lower upper bound. Least upper bound. Least upper bound. What is the least upper bound? It is important. Least upper bound. That is LUB. That is called LUB. Least upper bound. How to take the definition of this in the set? Oka set lo ee definition of this. Least upper bound. You see, least upper bound means upper bound, you know. What is big number is called upper number. Least upper bound, you see this is the case. 1, 2, 3 up to infinity is there in natural number set. It is what about C? Lower bound. Lower bound. It is. Now biggest, you see that is. What is a finite set you let? Yeah. Oh, S is a finite set. 1, 2, 3 up to take 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You see. 12 is what about C? Upper bound of this set. 12 is upper bound. This upper bound, 12 is upper. అంటే in this set, 12 పెద్దది అని చెప్తున్నాను. యాక్చువల్గా 12 పెద్దదా? ఇంకా 12 కంటే పెద్ద నెంబర్లు లేవా? దే వై నాట్? ఉన్నాయి. 12 కంటే పెద్ద నెంబర్లు ఏమున్నాయి? 13 ఉన్నాయి, 14, 15 you write this. These are also big. Number of upper bounds are there. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. నెంబర్ బిగ్ నెంబర్స్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి. ఒక 12 కాదు. కానీ 13, 14, 15 దేర్ ఈజ్ నో నెంబర్ ఇన్ ద సెట్. ఎస్ ఇందులో లేవు. ఇలా లేకపోయినా 12 కంటే పెద్దవే. కాబట్టి 12 అప్పర్ బౌండ్ అయితే 13, 14, 15 కూడా అప్పర్ బౌండే అవుతుంది ఆఫ్ దిస్ సెట్. ఈ సెట్కి అప్పర్ బౌండ్స్ అని చెప్తారు. దిస్ ఈస్ దోస్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో బీ కాల్డ్ ఆల్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెంబర్స్ ఆఫ్ 12. Biggest number of 12s, all numbers also be upper bounds of this set. ఈ సెట్కి అప్పర్ బౌండ్ అనే చెప్తాం. ఇప్పుడు అప్పర్ బౌండ్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అప్పర్ బౌండ్స్ ఆల్సో బి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ బికాస్ 13, 14. హౌ మెనీ అప్పర్ బౌండ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ సెట్? ఇన్ఫైనైట్ అప్పర్ బౌండ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. బట్ యు ఆర్ కంపేరింగ్ విత్ ఇన్ఫైనైట్ అప్పర్ బౌండ్. 12 ఈజ్ లీస్ట్. 13, 14, 15 కంటే 12 చిన్నది. అప్పర్ బౌండ్లలో దిస్ ఈస్ లీస్ట్. అమాంగ్ ద అప్పర్ బౌండ్స్ 12 ఈస్ లీస్ట్. దిస్ ఇస్ లీస్ట్ అప్పర్ బౌండ్ అమాంగ్ ద నెంబర్స్, అమాంగ్ దీస్ నెంబర్స్. ఈ నెంబర్స్ కంటే 12 చిన్నది. దిస్ ఈజ్ లీస్ట్ అప్పర్ బౌండ్. ఒక క్లాస్ ఉంది, స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ ఉన్నారు. టీచర్ ఏజ్ పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది అంటే క్లాస్లో టీచర్ ఈజ్ అప్పర్ ఏజ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ రిలేటివ్ టు ఏజ్. టీచర్ పెద్ద అంటే టీచరే పెద్ద, టీచర్ కంటే ఇంకా పెద్ద ఏజ్ వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళతో పోలిస్తే ఇట్ ఈజ్ లీస్ట్ అమాంగ్ ద లీస్ట్ ఎమాచ్. టీచర్ చిన్నవాడు అవుతుంది అట్లా. దిస్ ఈజ్ యూ టేకింగ్ దిస్ వే, ఇట్ ఈస్ లీస్ట్ అప్పర్ బౌండ్. సిమిలర్లీ సేమ్ వే లోయర్ బౌండ్ అండ్ greatest lower bound. Greatest lower bound, how to see here? See here, greatest lower bound. You see one of the example, n is there, natural number set. 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. It is 1 is lower bound, no doubt. 1 is lower bound. But ఇదే లోయరా? దీనికంటే చిన్న లేవా? There is no small numbers for 1 comparing with others. There 0, -1, -2, minus. These are also will be small numbers with comparing with 1. 1తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఇవన్నీ చిన్నవి. అంటే ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఏమవుతాయి? లోయర్ బౌండ్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సెట్. అంటే హౌ మెనీ లోయర్ బౌండ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? ఇన్ఫైనైట్ లోయర్ బౌండ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. Infinite lower bounds are there. But these are lower bounds. Comparing with 1, 1 is what about see? 1 is greater. Comparing with these lowers. ఈ లోయర్స్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఒకటి గ్రేట్, ఒకటి పెద్దది అవుతుంది అమాంగ్ దీస్ నెంబర్స్. దేర్ ఫోర్ 1 ఈజ్ ద గ్రేటెస్ట్ లోయర్ బౌండ్. లోయర్ బౌండ్లలో ఇది పెద్దది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెంబర్, బిగ్ నెంబర్ ఫర్ అమాంగ్ ద లోయర్ బౌండ్స్. అమాంగ్ ద లోయర్ బౌండ్స్, అప్పర్ బౌండ్స్ నో డౌట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఉంటాయి, ఎన్నైనా ఉండొచ్చు. ఇన్ఫైనైట్ లోయర్ బౌండ్స్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్, ఇన్ఫైనైట్ అప్పర్ బౌండ్స్ ఆల్సో బి ఎగ్జిస్ట్. బట్ గ్రేటెస్ట్ లోయర్ బౌండ్ అండ్ లీస్ట్ అప్పర్ బౌండ్, దీస్ ఓన్లీ సింగిల్, దేర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ యూనిక్. ఒక్కటే ఉంటుంది, ఇంకోటి ఉండదు. Because there exists 12. This is the topic. Now here, see another way. See here, one of the set. E is there. E is a set. One of the example you see. E is the set. X is also element of R, where X is 0 less than or equal X less than 1. This is E contending to R. What about how many elements are gathered here? E set. E set containing 0 is there. Next 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 up to not 1. ఒకటి ఉండదు, ఒకటి కంటే ముందు 1, 0.9999. These are also be numbers in the case. What is the upper bound here? Upper bound is almost all 1. Upper bound now, it is 1. What is 0.999? How many times you write? See, 0.9999. Not 1. 1 is there. And this set is come from 0 to 1. This set is come from 0 to 1. Here 1 is the least upper bound. 1 is the least upper bound. This is not belonging to this set. From this example, least upper bound not belonging to set. Maybe ఉంటే ఉండొచ్చు, లేకపోతే లేకపోవచ్చు. Maybe belonging or belonging. That is, what about see, 1 is the least upper bound of this set. Least upper bound is not a belonging to E, because here less than 1 is there, given less than 1. Less than 1 means ఒకటి కంటే చిన్నవి. ఒకటి కంటే చిన్నవి అంటే 0.9999 is almost all equal to 1. Almost all equal to 1 is comparing with upper bounds is 1. 1 is the least upper bound of this set. 1 is the least upper bound of this set. This is the case. Now, next to see this, one of the case. Now, again, here, see. Okay. Now, sequence of thy limit. Sequence. What is the definition of sequence? Sequence definition you see first, after you take the limits. Definition of a sequence. How to take the definition? Important definition, sequence definition. See here. Here sequence means a function f is mapping from, okay, natural number to R. This is important. Natural number to R. Function is same in 10th class level or intermediate, write S to S, or f is mapping from R to R, and f is mapping from N to W. These are, you seen these functions. It is S, this S is domain, codomain, R is domain, codomain, domain, codomain. This is, first is domain, second comes is codomain, domain, codomain. N is domain, R is codomain. Where when you see this function set to be sequence, ఈ ఫంక్షన్ సీక్వెన్స్ కావాలంటే here domain always natural number set. This is the important. What about C? N is the natural number set to real number set. A function, there exists a function natural number set to real number set. Always domain there exists natural number set. Then it is called, what about C? Sequence. It is called sequence. Here domain N and codomain R. This is the function. Here 1 is there. Here another you write C, any one of them. F of x is equal to x square for R. 1, 1, 2. 2 means here 4. 4 means 4, 4 to 3, 9. This is the function. This is real numbers, no doubt. This function is a domain N to R is called, what about C? F is a sequence. F is called a sequence. How to write this sequence? Sequence is denoted by Sn, this type of bracket, or Sn, this type of bracket, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, up to right C. What about C? Sn is equal to, right here similarly in generally function, here any one of the set, here A, B is there in our set, function f of, function you write 1, 2, 3, you write A, B, C. A, B, C are images, 1, 2, 3 are elements. This domain, codomain. Codomain lo undeti images all are images exist in codomain. Domain is numbers 1, 2, 3. How to write this? A function you write f, f of 1 is equal to, you write A, f of 2 is equal to, write B, f of 3 is equal to C. What ABC? ABC is a range of this codomain. ABC is a range of this domain. Similarly here also you write, here you write Sn, here n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to S1, S2, S3. This is the sequence. S1, S2, S3. What about C? These are also exist in the range of the codomain. S1, S2, S3. You see, one of the function here n is a real number set or any subset. This is n to R. There, this is real sequence. N to R function is defined. N to R is called real sequence. This is the problem. See, here n is a natural number set, R is a real number set. This is a sequence definition. You see, it is the case. See this. Here you write, see, what about C? Range S1, S2. Sn is equal to, you write, what about C? S1, S2 up to Sn. N is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to. This is S1, S2, S3. All are in the range. Sequence is denoted by Sn. You write n is equal to 1 to infinity. No doubt at all. Sn. Sequence is also symbolical is denoted by Sn. See one of the examples here. One of the examples here. What is that? Sn is equal to 1 by n square. Sn is equal to 1 by n square, where n is also element of n. See what? See here function is n, here function is n, here n, 1 by n square. Here 1, 2, 3 you write, 1 by 1 square is 1, here 1. 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. 3, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 9. 1 by 4 square, 1 by 16. this is all also be. 1 is mapping 1, 2 is mapping 1 by 4, 3 is mapping 1 by 9, here 4 is mapping 1 by 6. How to write sequence? You write these range elements: 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 16. This is the sequence of this sequence of given function 1 by n square. The range elements, you consider the range element is called sequence. Yes, sir. It is called first element is S1, S2, S3, S4, like that. Right, see 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here enter the values in n. How to get the real numbers? That is n2 real number set. These are also be real numbers, no doubt at all. But this is called what about C? Sequence, denoted by sequence. Next you see another. Here Sn is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n. Here n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to. See, n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Substitute here. n is equal to 1, 2, 3 substitute cheste em jarugutundi. Minus 1 power 1. That is answer 1. n is equal to 1. n is equal to 2 minus 1 square. That is plus 1. Again n is equal to 3 minus 1 whole to the power of 3, that is minus 1. n is equal to 4 minus 4, that is 1. You only get right side. What about C? Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. What is the range here? S1 is 1 minus 1, S2 is plus 1. This is the range. This is the sequence of the function. What about minus 1 whole to the power of n. This is the Sn is equal to, you see this, minus 1 whole to minus 1, 1. Is the case. Now next see, again this is the case of Sn is equal to, see again 3n plus 1 by 7n minus 4. You substitute n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to. What about n is equal to 1? 3 plus 1 by 7 minus 4, 4 by 3. This is also 4 by 3. And n is equal to 1. n is equal to 2, substitute 6 plus 1 by 14 minus 4, that is 7 by 10. Here write what about third case? n is equal to 3, substitute 9 plus 1 by 21 minus 4, that 10 by 17. What is the sequence? Sn is equal to, write 4 by 3 and 7 by 10 and 10 by 70. This is the, it is S1, S2, S3. This is the sequence of the case. You write sequence. Sequence means a range of the codomain. No doubt it. Range of the codomain. You only range lo untayi codomain values. This is sequence. See, here see, F is mapping from n to R, natural number to real number set. There is a define a function from natural number to real number set, then it is called sequence. How to write sequence? In the range elements come to the sequence. Sequence is called range elements in the function. That function always domain is always n. That is the sequence. Otherwise not sequence. n place la inkedi unna w kavachu, w other z, other I, no, that is not sequence. Only natural number to real number set. Function is defined. This is the case. Now, limit of a sequence. See, definition, how to see definition. Limit of a sequence. You know limit in our intermediate level. How to consider the limit definition? How to take the limit definition? See, limit definition, you see, limit, how to consider limit? You know limit n tends to or any number a. See, you write f of x is equal to n. This is the limit. How to write this? There exists epsilon greater than 0, then there exists delta greater than 0, such that you write C. What about n minus a less than delta? That implies f of x minus l less than epsilon. less than epsilon. This is the limit definition. There exists for every epsilon greater than 0. What is the limit definition in intermediate level? For every epsilon greater than 0, see, for every epsilon greater than 0, then there exists a delta greater than 0 such that x minus a less than delta implies f of x minus L less than epsilon. This is the limit definition. Similarly, same way you consider the sequence, limit of a sequence. Sequence limit and the f of x place lo, in the place of f of x, f of x is equal to write Sn. Instead of f of x, you write Sn. Sn minus L, Sn minus S, anyone. This is it. Here how to write? See, x minus a less than delta. What is delta? Delta is always depend on epsilon. This delta is epsilon మీద ఆధారపడి ఉంటుంది. How to write? See, delta. You see here, x minus a minus delta. You see once again in our limit definition, x minus a is less than delta. X minus a less than, you remove this mod, right side you write plus or minus. Right, see what x, right, write this less than a plus or minus delta. You write a minus delta less than x less than a plus delta. This is the x is in between a minus delta, a plus delta. A minus delta, a plus delta, what is this? Any delta, small, any delta, a minus delta, a plus delta is a neighborhood of a. Neighborhood of a. This is x minus a less than delta is their neighborhood. అందుకే మనం మీరు రాస్తాం లిమిట్ x tends to a అని రాస్తాం. సమ్ అదర్ స్పెషల్ టైప్స్ ఏ ప్లస్ అంటాం, అంటే ఎటు నుంచి వస్తుంది. ఈ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ ఏ మైనస్ అంటాం. ఈ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లిమిట్ రైట్ సైడ్ లిమిట్ రాయడానికి కారణం ఇదే. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? సి ఎక్స్ మైనస్ ఏ లెస్ దాన్ డెల్టా, ఇయర్ బోత్ ఆల్సో బీ దేర్. Two sides are there. Two sides means one side or second side. A is neighborhood. A minus 1, A minus 2. It is A plus 1, A plus 2. 2 unte 2.1, 2.2. It is 1.999, 1.9. Your numbers. This side, two sides there exist. 2. This is neighborhood of A. X tends to 2. X రెండు సమీపిస్తుంది. ఎట్ సైడ్, లెఫ్ట్ సైడా రైట్ సైడా, అది మనం చెప్పాల్సింది. రైట్ సైడ్ అయితే 2 ప్లస్ అంటాం, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ అయితే నెగటివ్ అంటాం. అందుకే లిమిట్స్ని దేర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఏ లిమిట్, రైట్ అండ్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ లిమిట్, రైట్ హ్యాండ్ లిమిట్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ లిమిట్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్, దేర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ లిమిట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద కేస్. ఎందుకంటే నైబర్హుడ్ నుంచి వచ్చినటువంటిది. సిమిలర్లీ సేమ్ వే హియర్ డెల్టా బదులు ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్తారంటే దేర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ ఎప్సిలాన్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 limit of a sequence. Very important here. There exist every epsilon greater than 0. Then there exists a number, natural number n, such that n greater than n, that implies Sn minus S less than epsilon. This is the sequence limit. What about here? S is, no doubt, S is a limit point of Sn. S is a limit point of Sn. Here n is, what about C? N is here, delta is existing limit definition. Here n is a number. Here delta is depend on epsilon. Here also n is depend on epsilon. Same number. But here write Sn, sequence is right. Here function you write here Sn you write. Sn minus S less than epsilon. This is a limit of a sequence. What about C? N is depend on epsilon. Every time there exist here. It n exist avute, idi emautundi? S limit exist avute. Limit exist avute emautundi? This is convergent avute. That is the other definition. Go to the in sequence. Sequence velpothe there exist limit, that is convergent. And cheptu. Okay, no doubt at all. This is Sn minus S. N get done. N less than n. Epsilon Sn minus S less n greater than n. Sorry, n greater than n implies Sn minus S less than epsilon. This is the sequence definition. See, that how to see sequence definition. From this definition, you see one of the problem here. See, consider the sequence. Sn is equal to 2n plus 3 by 5n minus 1. See this is. First to find the limit of this. How to write? 2n plus 3 by 5n minus 1 limit n tends to infinity to c. Right? 2, n is common here. 2 plus 3 by n. Here also be n common. 5 minus 1 by n. N tends to infinity. 1 by n tends to 0. No doubt at all. This 0, 3 by n, 1 by n 0. Limit n tends to infinity. Here what about c? N cut. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is the limit of this. See this. 2 by 5 is the limit of this. You write. What about c? Now the definition of sequence. For every epsilon greater than 0, there exists a number n such that Sn minus s less than epsilon. అంటే ఇక్కడ n ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతే Sn మైనస్ ఎస్ లెస్ దాన్ ఎప్సిలాన్. ఎస్ అనేది లిమిట్ పాయింట్ అవుతుంది. Sn కాన్వర్జెంట్ అవుతుంది. Sn మైనస్ ఎస్ లెస్ దాన్ ఎప్సిలాన్. యూ సీ వన్స్ అగైన్. ఇప్పుడు ఇన్ అబో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దేర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ క్యాపిటల్ N ఆర్ నాట్, యూ సీ ఇన్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్. హౌ టు ఎగ్జిస్ట్ n క్యాపిటల్ N? Capital N always depend on epsilon, no doubt at all. This is also be see in the problem in going to steps. See, now write Sn minus s, you see this. Sn is 2n plus 3 by 5n minus 1 minus, what is that? S is 2 by 5. Limit less than epsilon. You see this, LCM. 5 into 2n plus 3 minus 2 into 5n minus 1 by 5 into 5n minus 1 less than epsilon. See that. Now here 10 plus 5 2 is 10. 10n plus 5 3 is 15 minus 10n minus 1 here minus 2 minus plus 2 by 5 into 5n minus 1 less than epsilon. 10n cancel. 15 plus 2 17 by 5 into 5n minus 1 less than epsilon. See here 17 by 5 into epsilon. You write this outside 5n minus 1. Again you write this side minus 1. 17 minus 5 epsilon. You write this side plus 1 less than 5n. Here what is 17 plus 5 epsilon by 5 epsilon less than 5n. 5 also be take inside. It is multiplication, inside you write dividing. 17 plus, see 17 plus 5 epsilon by 5 5 is 25 epsilon. 25 epsilon is less than n. Now see n is greater than, you rewrite this 17 plus 5 epsilon by 25 plus epsilon. This is our n. This is our n. N is depend on epsilon. Here epsilon is involved. You write n greater than n is equal to 17 plus 5 epsilon by 25 epsilon implies, this is our n, implies Sn minus L, that is 2n plus 3 by 5n minus 1 minus 2 by 5 less than epsilon. ఇక్కడ ఇది less than epsilon అయ్యేటట్లు there exist capital N 17 plus 5 epsilon. You take epsilon is equal to 1 or 0.1 or 0.2 dash dash dash. You get different values. Epsilon. This is n. N is depend on epsilon. In limit theorem also the same. Here delta is depend on epsilon. Limit definition. Here also same. But here involve sequence in that limit involve a function, single variable function. Here this is the sequence of a limit comparing with our limit definition intermediate calculus. This is what about C? A sequence Sn of a real number is said to be converged to a real number S, provided that for each epsilon greater than 0, there exists a natural number n such that n greater than n implies Sn minus epsilon, Sn minus S less than epsilon. That is the definition of the sequence. Now see, one of the problems, see, this also be define n, Sn is equal to 1 by n square for all n is also n, the sequence రాయమన్నా n ప్లేస్లో మనం 1 2 3 రాసుకుంటూ పోతే మనకు 1 by 4 1 by 9 1 by 16 వస్తుంది. Either also be same, already seen in previously. Now next, this is the problem. See, limit. Prove that limit n tends to 1 by n power 1 by 2 is equal to 0. 0 అని మనం చూపించాలంటే there exists less than epsilon అని మనం చూపించాలి. This is the important problem. See, what about here? 1 by n to less than epsilon. See, Sn is equal to given 1 by n to the power of 1 by 2. Here Sn minus S less than epsilon. Sn is equal to 0. Prove 0 and prove చేయమన్నా limit. Okay, you substitute S place. 1 by n power 1 by 2 minus 0 less than epsilon. Less than epsilon. You write 0. 1 by n power root n you write less than epsilon. You write this 1 by epsilon greater than root n. Both sides you take square. 1 by epsilon square less than n. You write this n greater than 1 by epsilon square. This is, it is our n. Therefore, there exists n small n greater than n is equal to 1 by epsilon square implies Sn 1 by n power 1 by 2 minus 0 less than epsilon. Therefore, 0 is the limit of the sequence. Prove that. What about say limit n tends to infinity n 1 by n power half is equal to, right, 0. Similarly, same way, second problem also, you see. See, this is the theorem, is important. Limit, already you seen in intermediate also this theorem, the limit in calculus, limit of a sequence, if exist, then it is unique. Then it is unique. Limit of a sequence, then it is unique. Unique అని చెప్పచ్చు. అంటే సీక్వెన్స్ కనుక లిమిట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే లిమిట్ n tends to infinity Sn, దిస్ S is unique. దిస్ S is unique. ఈ Sని యూనిక్ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది, రెండు ఉండవు అని చెప్పాలి. ఇన్ అవర్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ there exist two limits Sn. రెండు ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతాయి అని మనం అనుకోవాలి. గోయింగ్ ఇన్ ద థీరమ్, there exist two limits different S and L. Similarly, same limit n tends to infinity Sn is equal to L. Sకి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది, Lకి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది అంటే you write the definition of this limit of a sequence definition. You are right. What about say every epsilon greater than 0 there exists n1. I am choose n1 because other also be there, that you choose n2. There exists n1, a number n1 such that, listen, see, such that, how to write see, such that Sn minus S less than epsilon. This is epsilon by 2, right? No doubt. Again, this you write every epsilon greater than 0, then there exists n2 such that Sn minus L less than epsilon by 2. This is, you write, see, n is a n1 and n2. You write, see, small. You write single n, you consider every epsilon greater than 0 there exists capital N such that, you write, what about C? Right, consider what you see here, consider You write this S minus L, you see. S minus L is equal to, write S minus Sn plus Sn minus L, you write. Plus sign minus, it also cancel. You write this S minus Sn plus Sn minus L. You write less than S minus Sn plus Sn minus L. Right side is dividing. When you are dividing this mod, you write less than or equal. And what about see S minus L? S minus L is equal to less than or equal. This is already equation on epsilon by 2. Plus this is your epsilon by 2. You write S minus L less than epsilon. Epsilon is very small, almost all 0. That means S minus L is equal to 0. That is S is equal to L. S is equal to N means S is the limit of the sequence, L is the another limit of a sequence, same sequences. Here two different are above. In case of the above supposition, what about the S or L are different. Here both are same. Therefore, there exists, what about say? Therefore, there exists a unique limit of sequence. What about the limit of a sequence? Sequence kanaka limit exist avute, then it is unique. Adi oka ekaikamu, that is simple, okate untundi. Manam rendu unnai anukunnam, ida emochai S is equal. Ida moodu unnai anuko, moodu equal. SL inkoti SLT అనుకో, ఈ కింద ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుంది తెలుసా? S ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు L ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ T వస్తాయి. ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ 3 వస్తాయి, N1 N2 N3 వస్తాయి. మ్యాక్సిమం తీసుకుంటే మళ్ళీ గదే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. 4 తీసుకో, దట్ ఈజ్ 4, 4 ఆల్సో బి ఈక్వల్. దట్ ఈజ్ వాట్ అబౌట్ సి దిస్ limit is a sequence. Similarly, same way, this is the problem. So terms you write, N is equal to few terms, N is equal to 5 terms you write, 1 2 3 4, 1 by 3 to the power of N, sin N pi you calculate that. C1 is equal to, you write these problems. It is very simple problems under this real analysis third unit. Again see other definitions in next class. Important, you see theorems in the case of this. Thank you, my dear students.